Yo, there's no exact reason why, but today is a good day. So today, I'm feeling like Oprah. Today I am breaking down my oil prevention process. So when it comes down to oil elimination, when it comes down to having a greasy face or oily face, however you want to word it. And if you guys stay tuned at this end of this video, I'm going to be dropping a special announcement based on this video title right here. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of a modern man, and it is a great day. The focal point of this video is how to remove an oily face, how to get rid of oil on the face. And for me, I'm personally come from a background where I naturally have a lot of oil, or generate natural oils through my face, and I have oily skin. There's not much I can really say beyond that. So in the summer times is when I do not only perspire like everyone else, but oily skin really kicks it up a notch. And I always had oily skin when I was a kid, but I know how it can be controlled and I know how it can be eliminated. So that's what this video is all about today, how to get rid or eliminate oily skin. So it is a process when it comes down to this. It is a journey. It is a step-by-step process. So I'm gonna break it all down in this video. So step number one, I myself coming from the experience of having oily skin, being raised as a young lad. It's something I could never control or understand at the time, but as I got older, I found out methods and techniques that I applied into my men's grooming. I often had it in high school days. I also often had it as I got a little bit older, but today I'm actually gonna share with you guys a few techniques that I used in the past and I keep developing with my oil techniques of eliminating. So the first process to oil elimination is exfoliation. So when it comes down to exfoliation, you want to get a high quality grade exfoliator. There's a bunch of ones out there. I could recommend you guys. I'll make a video on this actually based on all exfoliators for you guys. So be sure to look out for that video. So one of my top favorite oil exfoliators is from Kiehls. It is an oil eliminator and it is a product that I personally used myself, and I just love products that have been recommended to me or I just experiment with, because those are the brands and those are the treatments that I truly believe in and I want to share with you guys based on that. Kiehls exfoliator is something at the top of the line that I personally would use, and that is something what you do on the first step. When it comes down to step number two, step number two will be oil control lotion. You want to have a good quality lotion that is not oily. I can't even say oily because it's like a tongue twister. Oily. Wrap that up. You want to get an oil controlled lotion. I do recommend a few by Lubriderm. Kiehls actually has some as well. So you want to get an oil control lotion. There's one I recommend by Lubriderm, and that product has done me justice. There's a men's care line within that, but I also just get the natural scent free version. So that's something I usually go for. I don't usually go for scents when it comes down to lotions. So Lubriderm has a good product for that. But what I like about Lubriderm is it does have the backing of a dermatologist, and from there I actually believe in the product and I've used it on my skin. I never had any slight problems. So when it came on Lubriderm, it kept the skin light, it kept the skin refreshed, but at the same time it didn't feel heavy on the skin. So that's something I look for when it comes down to products. I don't look for heavy substances, so I always go for something very light and delicate on my face, because you know my skin's like a baby. The next step for you guys I recommend is get yourself a toner. So the next step you want to have in this process is actually have a good quality toner. So toner is actually going to help you remove your dead skin cells, the excess dead skin cells, level out the pH balance in your skin, but also just get rid of the dirt and grime, anything that's kind of left over they might but that the exfoliator might not pick up afterwards. So it is kind of a next step within the cleaning process, but it is a key process and a key factor when it does come down to actually cleaning your skin. So get yourself a good toner, and that would be that step. Next step you want to have is a good quality soap. I'll personally go for something that's natural or a scent-free soap. So I have two soaps I use. One's by Dove and one's a tea tree based soap by Sharp Society, and that one's actually handcrafted. So if you're interested in that, make sure you look in the link below for that specifically. but you want to get yourself a good quality soap that is actually that actually can cleanse your skin and actually do everything it needs to basically make sure your skin is refreshed and rejuvenated. So those are actually the 4 things you'll typically need. And just to recap that all, first you'll need a good quality exfoliator. Second, you'll need an oil controlled lotion. Step 3, you'll just need a good toner and a soap that is scent free or a natural based soap. And that is all the products you typically need through the whole process. And I want to give you guys one tip, and that is don't touch your face, because that is one of the biggest key factors amongst actually getting more bacteria on your face from touching your face so often. So from my own experience, from not drinking enough water, staying hydrated, not drinking my 3 liters, and then from eating junk food, candies, chips, ice cream, that is where I get the most breakouts from. And if you are similar, then you might want to take this process a lot more seriously. Those are 3 factors that actually get the most breakouts from myself. So I try my best to stay away from those type of things, or I just do things in moderation, but always stay hydrated, always get your good quality sleep, and don't touch your face for the most part. So I'm gonna break down the little process of what I naturally would do here in this process of all 4 products. So first thing in the morning, I'll get the exfoliator, I'll exfoliate my face all around. After that, I'll get the toner and just basically tone out, I guess, just kind of use that little pad. It's like a little circle pad, and you put the toner on it, and just to cleanse the face and to cleanse the bacteria, the excess. And then after that, I'll get a good quality lotion. And then after the day is done, going into the night. So going into the night, I'll use the soap. So I'll put it on my face, cleanse my face. Then I'll use the toner. And then I would use a good quality lotion before I go to bed. So that is simply the process of what I would typically do when it does come down to having an oil-free skin. If you guys are familiar with this, or if you guys aren't, make sure you leave a comment in the section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up so it can be spread out to more people. And it is your boy Mr.Lu helping you guys out with skincare, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hold on. If you guys stayed at the end of the video, I did guarantee something here. So today is a good day, like I mentioned, because I am going to be giving away a collection piece by Kiehls. So it is the Oil Eliminator full set collection. I'm personally going to purchase that for you guys and give it away to you guys because you guys are awesome. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. This is what it is, B. This is what it is. I'm really passionate about giving this away. I'm really passionate about helping you guys out. So I'm going to go out and buy a full set of this Oil Eliminator collection piece and maybe throw in some essentials that I personally use. And I want to gift it to the 1,000th person giveaway. So when we reach 1,000 subs on the channel, do a raffle, we do like an online generator, and I'll be gifting you guys, or the winner, I'll be gifting the winner the whole collection piece. So that is going to be a great experience for the winner. But yet again, for everyone who's actually engaged in these videos, there's a little something in there for you, but stay tuned for that. So yet again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. My name is Mr.Lu, and I'll see you guys in the next video regarding men's skincare, or grooming, or styling, or whatever you guys want to see. You guys let me know yet again. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys soon.